Hello, welcome to Free Range Cottage. I am so excited that you're here. I am Tanya, and today we are going to dive into some vintage lighting finds that you can order right on Amazon and get them right to your door. And this is a subject that is important to us because in our DIY budget remodeling of our home, I really like to find lighting that's budget friendly, but of course I want it to match my aesthetic as well. So of course I'm wanting to get the look for less, and that's why I'm excited to share this with you today. And just a thought, if you love home, garden, and lifestyle inspiration like I do, then be sure and hit the like button on this video. And you might want to think about subscribing so you don't miss a thing, and I would appreciate it so much. So let's dive into some vintage lighting style finds that are from Amazon. I think you're gonna like them.
I've curated a collection of vintage style lighting off of Amazon. All of them will be linked in my Amazon storefront and LTK shop found in the description. They range in price from about $40 to just under $200, so very budget friendly. And I'm excited to share these with you. Starting with this plug-in pressed glass pendant, the vintage style cord is such a feature, as well as the pulley to adjust the hanging height. You can see the detail with the light turned on. And being the plug-in, this is a great option where you don't have hardwire lighting. Next is a milk glass pendant with gorgeous chain drop. This is a great option for over a table, in a foyer, or any number of places. Another milk glass pendant with a different style. Love the detailing on both of these. Of course, you can choose what type of light bulb for when it's lit, either warmer or cooler. This one has a little bit warmer bulb in it. Next is a delicate pressed glass pendant with antique brass accents. I love how airy these look. Add them to a more modern space to soften it and make it cozy, as you'll see was done in this bedroom. Another pressed glass pendant with black accents. Many of these I've chosen have different metal or glass options, so be sure to check that out. So pretty in this kitchen with the natural light coming through the window. It just accentuates that glass. Now, if you're craving some color, this green glass pendant could be an option for you. The petal design is so cute. How about in a nursery or even a closet makeover where you add a little wallpaper? It'll make you smile every morning when you're getting dressed. This next pendant looks like you've been shopping estate sales, but you'd likely pay more than this and possibly have to rewire it. So this is a great option if you want the look on a budget and without the hassle. I had to include these purple glass pendants because my 34-year-old daughter would love these, and I'm sure she'd find a place for them. Again, they come in clear and other colors. A lot of them have a green and an amber option, I noticed, and possibly even a frosted option. So it gives you lots of design choices, which is always a good thing. This amber ceiling light with the ruffled edge detail, how perfect for a hallway, bedroom, or foyer. It's just got that organic, bringing nature in kind of look to it that's so popular right now. And the glass looks nice and thick and beautiful on this. Here it is down a hallway, so cute. This brass pendant with the leaf inspired shape is just gorgeous. This also comes in a sconce, I noticed. Using them in multiples is a great idea, either over a kitchen island or maybe a table. Who says you only have to have one light over your table? Now we can't talk about vintage lighting without including a classic schoolhouse ceiling light. I'm putting something similar to this one in our half bathroom makeover. And this one is a great selection for over a bathroom mirror. The mixed brass with black gives you design options for the rest of your hardware, and the mixed metals are very popular. This is the sconce we chose for our budget bathroom renovation, which you can see right here on the channel. I was so glad to find something affordable since we used 6 of them. And we DIY'd this bathroom and saved ourselves a lot of money. A lot of the sconces I was loving were anywhere from $350 on up. It's amazing what beautiful and good lighting, I'm sure well worth it, can cost. But if you have to stay within a tight budget, then these are a great option, and we absolutely love them. If you want a sconce with a little more delicate, this would be a great option. It reminds me of like a turn of the century farmhouse or a Victorian, painted lady Victorian. It would be right at home in those kind of spaces. But what if you're longing for a French Regency? How about this impressive chandelier? It's under $200, which is amazing. It looks stunning in a more rustic kind of setting, as I'm going to show you here. However, it would be just as beautiful in a more formal room with lots of applied moldings. I could see it going in a lot of different spaces. Now, if stained glass makes your heart flutter, there are so many beautiful and affordable options on Amazon. This green leaf ceiling mount fixture has always been a favorite of mine. I need to find a place for it. I love the detail. I love that it's stained glass, but it's just variations of green. All the detailing on it is just so stunning to me. Another option is this tulip design. This could be gorgeous in a bedroom, hallway, or even a small foyer. I hope you've gotten some ideas for your own home. If you want to go to the link under this video in the description, and I will see you next time here at Free Range Cottage for home and garden and lifestyle inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, friends.